Are you looking for a healthy and effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health? Look no further than the smoothie diet. This diet is a simple and customizable program that involves replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with nutrient-dense smoothies. These smoothies are made with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, and are packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. By drinking smoothies, you can reduce your calorie intake while still getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Plus, the smoothie diet is easy to follow and can be customized to your tastes and dietary needs. The smoothie diet also allows for healthy snacks and a balanced meal for the third meal of the day. This helps to ensure that you get all the nutrients your body needs while still enjoying delicious and satisfying food. So if you're looking for a sustainable and effective way to lose weight and feel your best, try the smoothie diet today. Visit our website www.high5corner.com for more information and click the link in the description for delicious smoothie recipes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more health and wellness content.